Good morning, class 4. We'll be revising chapter number 4 today. We have done chapter number 1, 2, 3 revision, and also we have solved unit test 1 and 2 and the model test paper 1. Okay, that is based on again chapter number 1, 2, 3 and 4. And we have done one revision of chapter number 1 and 2 by a test. Then chapter number 3 again we have given one test. Chapter number 4 we'll do the revision. We'll do the exercises, question answers, okay, and I'll be sharing the screen with you. Let's start. So what you see on the screen is this is a quick recap. I know that a computer's memory is used to store data as well as information. So when computer's memory is measured in bits and bytes. A byte is the basic storage unit of a computer. Then primary memory and secondary memory are the two types of memories. RAM and ROM are primary memory, and hard disk, CD-ROM, DVD, Blu-ray, pen drive, etc. are secondary memory. Okay. We have done a chart of units of memory and its equivalent, that is 1 bit, 1 unit of either a 0 or a 1. 1 nibble, 4 bits. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits or 1 character. 1 kilobyte, 1024 bytes. 1 megabyte, 1024 kilobyte. 1 gigabyte, 1024 megabytes. 1 terabyte, 1024 gigabytes. 1 petabyte, 1024 terabytes. So this much, okay? You have to write it in your notebook. You have to create this table only this much, okay? Fine. Now, next, the activity that we have done in this is we have to draw RAM, okay? And we have to draw secondary memory, maybe pen drive, hard disk, CD, or Blu-ray disc, anything. Now let's come to the exercises. Tick the correct answer. Dash is known as a primary memory, RAM and ROM ports. Okay. So the answer will be C. Dash memory is also known as external memory. Secondary memory is also known as external memory. So primary memory is inside the computer. So it is called internal memory. RAM is a dash memory. Random access memory is a non-volatile memory or a volatile memory. Read-only memory is non-volatile. RAM is volatile. Volatile means जब आपका काम फिनिश हो जाता है तो RAM आप जब एप्लीकेशन को बंद कर देते हो या आप कंप्यूटर को बंद करते हो RAM जो है वो खाली हो जाता है. ठीक है, RAM को स्टोर नहीं करता है. Next is 1 terabyte is equal to how many gigabytes? 1024. That is answer is C. Process of copying data from RAM to hard disk is known as saving. जब आपने RAM से hard disk पे डेटा को कॉपी किया इसका मतलब आपने डेटा को सेव किया. A computer stores data and information in its memory. Computer stores data and information in its memory. Computer's memory is measured in bits and bytes. Okay. Next is dash is the basic storage unit of a computer, that is byte. Dash and dash are two types of primary memory, RAM and ROM. Dash is a non-volatile memory. So ROM is a non-volatile memory. Non-volatile मतलब जो इरेज नहीं होती, ठीक है। तो जो भी आपके कंप्यूटर पे प्रोग्राम्स हैं, MS पेंट है, वर्ड है, ये सारी किस पे सेव होती हैं? ओके, तो ये सारी चीजें आपकी ROM पर होती हैं। Dash memory stores data and information permanently. Which memory stores data and information permanently? Hard disk. Okay, so hard disk, pen drive, these are all secondary memory. The answer would be secondary memory stores data and information permanently. Let's come to the true and false section. Computer monitor saves the data and information. Do we save the data on monitor? No. So this is false. 1 terabyte is approximately equal to 1 book. Okay. Now let's understand this by this figure here. 1 terabyte is equal to entire book stand. Okay. So 1 megabyte is equal to 1 book. 1 megabyte is equal to 1 book. 1 terabyte is equal to entire book stand. So this is false. Next is bit is the smallest unit of a computer. Correct. Okay, smallest unit is bit and smallest storage unit is byte. RAM stores our data permanently. False. RAM is a temporary memory. That is what you need to remember. Okay, that is volatile. Hard disk is a primary memory. Yes. No. So hard disk is a secondary memory, not the primary memory. This is false. What is the use of computer memory? A computer memory is used to store instructions that are to be executed by the processor, the data, and the results produced after the processing. Okay. Next is what is primary memory and name its two types. Primary memory is also called the main memory, and a computer can process the data that is in the main memory. So two types are RAM and ROM. Next is define bit and byte. A computer's memory is measured in bits and bytes. A bit means binary digit, 0 or 1. That is the smallest unit of the data. And 1 byte consists of 8 bits, and this is the basic storage unit. Okay. So this table I would request you to complete. 1 terabyte is equal to 1024 gigabytes. 1 gigabyte is equal to 1024 megabytes. 1 dash is equal to 8 bits. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. 1 KB is equal to 1024 bytes. And 1 gigabyte is equal to 1024 megabyte. Application based on your trip with your family, you clicked many pictures and shot videos of various locations. In which type of memory would you prefer them to store and why? So, you'll be storing it in a memory which should be permanent, right? And permanent memory is secondary memory. So, we'll be storing it on secondary memory because that is permanent. Draw and paste some secondary memory devices used in a computer on a chart and write their names. So this one activity, we have already done it in the notebook. We'll be drawing we have already drawn 2 secondary devices, okay, secondary memory devices. So this finishes your chapter 4 revision. We have given the test on chapter number 3, so I would request you to be ready for a test on chapter number 4 also. Okay, and let's continue the class over WhatsApp now. Okay. Thank you so much, and you can ask your doubts, and I'll be sharing the answers also.